In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify Pop-Up Store. By the end, you'll have a simple, shareable storefront with products you've designed, ready for customers to browse and buy. We'll start by creating the Pop-Up Store. After you log into your Printify account, head to My Stores. Click Add New Store, then choose Pop-Up Store. You'll be prompted to enter a store name. Pick something clear and recognizable so customers instantly know it's you. Next, choose a store theme. Think of the theme as your store's outfit. Pick one that matches your brand vibe, whether it's bold and colorful or clean and minimal. When you're happy, click Launch Pop-Up Store. Printify will generate a shareable link for your storefront. Keep it handy. This is the link you'll share on social media, in emails, or anywhere your audience hangs out. Now let's create products for the store. Go to the catalog and choose what you want to sell. Shirts, mugs, or hoodies are great places to start. Click Start Designing to open the editor. Upload your artwork or use the built-in tools to add text and graphics. Take your time with the print area. Make sure your design sits inside the safe zone, looks centered, and is sized at a high enough resolution to print crisply. Zoom in to check edges and alignment, and preview different color options if the product offers them. When everything looks right, click Save Product. That saves your design and gets it ready for publishing. With your product saved, it's time to make it live. Click Publish. If you have multiple stores, select your pop-up store from the list. Add a clear, descriptive product title so shoppers can find what they're looking for quickly. In the description, explain the key details, what makes the design special, the material or fit, and any care notes that matter. Then, set your selling price. Consider your costs and your margin. A small buffer helps cover promotions or discounts later. When you're satisfied, click Publish Product. Printify will push the item to your pop-up store, complete with mock-ups, pricing, and your description. That's the full flow. Launch your pop-up store, build your products in the catalog, and publish them with a strong title, thoughtful description, and fair price. If you need to tweak anything later, like the design alignment, wording, or pricing, you can return to the product and update it. Share your store link widely, keep your lineup fresh, and you'll be ready to welcome your first orders.